Hey everybody, it's Retired Tom from Black Swan. 5 days, September 1st, Labor Day. Bigger announcement, Carrie and I, 47 years of marriage. Somehow I convinced that lady to say yes a long time ago. We'll be back to give you all the details on what's going on at Black Swan in just a minute. Hi, it's Tom. I'm from Black Swan. Okay, so Spot and I are back, and we're here to tell you, if you ain't cooking on the egg, you might as well stand on one leg. Look at the egg. It's a cult. Great charcoal, flavorize everything. All this stuff you can get to help make you look like the chef of the neighborhood. Look at this thing they invented for the egg. This is called a pizza wedge. So that you can close this down, take this, make pizza. Your name could be O'Reilly, and everybody's gonna think you're from the old country. So hurry on in, get some stuff. You still got a couple days here before the big end of summer kind of celebration. It'll be great. We're all here waiting for you, even Spot. So come on down, buy some charcoal, get some stuff. Look, I don't know what you do with this, but you could do something. All right, thanks for visiting. Oh, stand by. Real quick, there's more stuff going on at Black Swan. Seasons are changing. Brace yourselves.